What's that for? Put that back. Put it back.
Ooh, they got a little piglet for Tracy. Let's get it.
No, Walker. She'll break it and get it in her intestines again.
Oh, shit. Hey, look. Tiny towels.
Walker. Go put that up. Go put it up now.
We can have this for a
Go
party.
Put it up.
Ooh, they got a donut paddle. Let me have them.
Walker, put them up. You're not doing this to me here. I'm trying to find something that I can fix for dinner that would be keto friendly.
It's like this.
No, put that back. That's chicken livers, Walker. Put it back. Forget it. I come for cat food. We'll just leave. Fuck you.
What you want to do when you get home?
I want to give you enough medicine where you just go to sleep.
And
Then I can go to sleep.
Here you go.
No, get Juicy Juice Red if you're going to get any. Get Juicy Juice Red if you're going to get any.
Ooh, pickles.
Walker, no. Get Juicy Juice Red if you're going to get any of that. Not that color.
Watch the cat.
I'll deal with y'all in the morning.
Thank you, Katie. Oh. Hey, baby, what you doing, some treacelous? Here's some treacelous. You really was a treacelous? Here was a treacelous. Here on it. Come and get it.
Come here, Gus. Come up here, Gus. Gus, come here. Gus, Summer, come here.
Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Elizabeth. You love it, don't you?
What you got on your back? What are you doing, sweetie?
That might want some treacelous.
They got Twizzlers down here in the floor, right down there. Here's your Twizzler you had out. Yeah. Sweet kitties. Sweet kitties. I'm trying to buy you, Lucy. I'm trying to buy you, Lucy. Because everybody's so damn mean to you. You gotta get close to the fence. Oh. Come on, Pete. Abby, you're next. You're next. And then you. And then Petey. Oh, Petey. Petey. And then Lizzie. And then Fancy. Then Wilson, and then Abby. One more go. Wilson, Abby, Fancy, Lizzie, and Petey. That's all. You're greedy little varmints.
Hey, Jesse, you want to go in? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be the actor of Walker and Super Wolf Brothers, and Riley's gonna do his Riley on the Super Wolf Brothers, and there is gonna be Super Wolf Brothers the movie, and Spyro the movie, and Crash Bandicoot the movie. So happy. If you please like, subscribe for more videos. And God bless you all. Blue Wolf Claw is out. How?